Hello India, welcome to Naipal Hamirpur. Today we are going to conduct our third class for NCERT math solution for class 10th. This is chapter 1, real number. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.3. The first question of this exercise is prove that root 5 is irrational number. As we know, we have to suppose root 5 as a rational number. Suppose root 5 is rational number. As we can say that rational number are in the form of P upon Q, where root 5 is equal to A upon B, and therefore it equals to root 5. Suppose the common factor of A and B is other than 1. So we can assume that these numbers are co-prime. By dividing by the common factor, we get that A is equals to B root 5. Or we can also say that if we square on both sides, then A square is equal to B square in 5. Then we can say that A square is divisible by 5, as well as we can say that A also will be divisible by 5. So in that case we may take A is equal to 5k. Then we may take, let A is equals to 5k. Then we may say that k is any of the integer. Then if we square on both sides, square on both sides, where we have assumed the value A square is equal to B square multiplied by 5. So we can say that if A is equal to 5k, then we can say that A square is equal to 5k whole square from this part. So we can say that B square 5 will be, what it will be, 5b square. Then we can also say that B square is equal to 5k square. B square is equal to 25k square upon 5. So we may say that B square is also divisible by 5. So in that case we may say that B is divisible by 5. Hence we can say that A and B have common factor 5, which contradict the co-prime fact. Therefore root 5 can be expressed in the form of P upon Q. So in that case root 5 will be expressed as irrational number. So in language I mean to write that if rational number A and B are divisible by 5, hence this contradict the co-prime fact of these number? Of A and B. Whether A only or B only or both A and B may be irrational. Then we can prove that root 5 will be irrational number. One more thing I would like to tell you, that if you are noting this, you have to get the clear meaning of it. What you have to get? The thing, if A upon B is equals to rational number and here A upon B we have assumed to equals to root 5, where this is rational number and root 5 is irrational number. I mean to say that either A or B or both may be irrational. So, the answer will be irrational. Let's move on to the next question. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational number. Assume to this as a prime number. If we are assuming this as a prime number, then we can say that, let's take 3 plus 2 root 5 as irrational number. 3 plus 2 root 5 is equals to rational number. When we take 3 plus 2 root 5 as rational number, that means there are two integers called A and B, such that A and B is equals to 3 plus 2 root 5, or we can say that A upon B minus 3 is equals to 2 root 5, or we may say that half of A upon B minus 3 is equals to root 5. So, in that case, again the same conditions applies, where we can say that A or B are integers will be rational, because A upon B always indicate a rational number. As we know, root 5 is irrational, but in this fact we have proved that root 5 is rational number, as the previous question. This fact contradicts that root 5 is irrational. As the previous question, I would like to tell you that either A or B or both may be irrational due to them the answer will be irrational. This contradiction contradicts that the fact. Now, what should we have to do in this? I had already told you, if you are getting all this, then you have to mean that if we have irrational number above and a rational number below, then the answer will be irrational number. The second fact is, if we have rational number above and irrational number below, and at the end the answer will be irrational number. This is the second fact which we are proving. And the third fact is, if we have irrational number as numerator and irrational number as denominator of the rational number, then the answer will be again irrational number. If you know these facts, then you may apply these facts to any of the question which you are proving. Let's move on to the next question. Prove that the following are irrational number. Because we have denominator root 2 as irrational number, so 1 upon root 2 is equals to irrational. In the next case, because here we have root 5 as irrational, so that 7 root 5 is equals to irrational. Don't worry, I will make you sense why I am telling in one line. Here again we have, because we have 6 plus root 2, where root 2 is equals to irrational. So 6 plus root 2 will be irrational. Now make your sense what the thing I am going to tell you. It is all. Here, if we have rational number multiplied by irrational number is equals to irrational number. The second fact, if we have rational number multiplied by irrational number multiplied by irrational number is equals to irrational number. For the second part, here we have rational number multiplied by irrational number, so the answer will be irrational number. And for the third part, we have rational number plus irrational number is equals to irrational number. And the second fact for this will be irrational number plus irrational number, the answer will be irrational number. So if you know these facts, then you can contradict your fact to proving these rational numbers as irrational numbers. We mean that rational numbers are, what are rational number and what are irrational number? Rational numbers are terminating, and non-terminating. Non-terminating but repeating. And if we are talking about irrational number, then we can say that these are non-terminating and non-repeating. By this fact, we can prove everything. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you are satisfied with our video, then kindly support us. Please like, comment, subscribe and share our video.